And it is Mickey. No, this one looks different. How does it look?
Let's just go back. Are you sure you can? Here, hand me the bucket. There's got to be one in there. That bucket always has something that I need.
But what is this key for?
Oh, so we just do.
Wait, did we clean those things you just did? Just touched?
Yep, those are the things that we just fixed. Here. Okay, so I have my leaf spring hangers tacked into place on all sides, all four corners here. My camera was off, so I don't know if that caught me rolling it out or not. But anyways. Oh, I gotta slow. Of course, I don't have it completely set up yet. I mean, I just got some tacks here. I don't even have the bushings in, so this is just a bolt going through an empty space here, so it's not exact. I don't like this angle right here on this drive shaft, where it kind of, where it comes out of the diff, it's so sharp of an angle going up, coming up, and then levels out. So I think what I'm going to do to try to make that more of a straight line is take the leaf springs out and take this wedge out. So it's got this wedge piece that's it's meant to angle it, but I think it's angling it too much. And I think if that wedge was out, it would be a nice straight line.
Oh, that's because I got ready. That's because I got ready.
Alright, so as far as the effectiveness of this welder goes, I've noticed that it does pretty good if I'm joining pieces like butt welding them, I guess is what it's called, where you just put the ends together, or if I'm going at an angle like this, it works fine. I think just because of the amount of heat being focused on the short edge allows it to melt the metal and really penetrate better. But whenever I start doing stuff like this, where I'm trying to weld something, sorry, I'm trying to get my camera in here, where I'm welding something, say like this, all the heat, it seems like when it's at an angle and it's up against something big, like a big piece, it doesn't penetrate into this one. So I tried welding this, and it's just not penetrating into this. I'm going to use the stick welder for that little bracket to make sure it's on there nice and tight, because it's going to be holding my gas tank in, so it's kind of important. Yeah, that's on there pretty good. I'll probably hit it underneath, or at least in a few spots, just for extra strength. All right, let me go get this lunch made. Okay, so this is what we got going on. I'm gonna add washers eventually when I find them or buy new ones. Here, and I'll put another nut right here and kind of pinch that. Do that on all sides. I'll be adding straps around it to also keep it in place. Yep. I'm gonna try pulling it. There we go.
Okay.
Alright, Amelia. Grab onto the rope. Go up there, you go. Okay, ready? Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Pull. 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 Pull, Coco. Pull. 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 Gotta get it up on the lip. Pull. Whoa. Did it. High five. Phew. We did it.
It's like we're making a tent.
Okay, get off of it.
Tumbleweed garage.